Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making earrings using toilet roll cord. So first we're going to measure 1 inch and then we're cutting up 4 pieces of this toilet roll cord at 1 inch intervals, all right? So when we finish cutting the toilet roll cords, we're going to stuff one into another for thicker and firmer core. We want our earrings to last practically forever. Okay, so once we've cut, we stuff one into the other one and fiddle around with it until it fits in properly, perfectly. Okay, now once this is done, we take the other one and just do the same thing basically. All right. So once you've done both cores, we now have our template, so to say. Our earring is almost ready. Now, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, it will be better you go and watch how to make bangles because that is where we teach you how to wrap anything you're making. All right. So once we've done the course, we're going to cover it with paper tapes. I love using paper tapes because it keeps everything in place and it gives you an even surface to work with. All right? Okay. Because if you notice there's some jagged edges, from the toilet roll core. All right? Okay, so once we've done this, you've covered both sides. See how it's coming along beautiful. Okay, you've covered both sides of the core of your earring template with the paper tapes. The next thing to do is to cover with the fabric. This is beautiful, it's short, and it's simple to do. All right, so once we've done this, covered both sides of the earring. Yes, it's an earring now, almost. Once we've covered both sides, then we go to the paper. I'm sorry, to the fabric. All right. And we're going to measure our fabric also at 1 inch and about 10 inches long or more. Usually, we work with whatever fabric. Remember, we're using scrap fabrics here, but that doesn't mean you can't use a new one if that's what you have. All right. I'm just all about reusing things, repurposing things. Okay. So now I'm cutting my fabric out. This fabric is a piece of fabric that um, was left over for making an outfit. So 1 inch by about, this is about 1 inch by 15. So we're starting how we fold. Remember, we fold to keep clean, neat edges. You want your work to always be neat, and then we start to wrap. All right. You see, I'm a little bit off camera. I didn't notice um that when I was filming. Okay, so now we wrap, and once we're finished wrapping, we make sure always to end the wrap inside. Okay, now remember, we always pull when we're wrapping to have a firm, tight finish. All right. Okay, so once we've done that, you'll notice pulling, wrapping, pulling, and wrapping. And when we get to the last bit, we're going to fold both sides of the fabric to get a very neat finish. Yeah? Okay. And then after that, the next part is to um, fix the earring findings, the hook and the chain. So, oops, missed something. We're going to put a peg on this, yes, so that it would hold firm. And you'll see that I'm fiddling with it, reshaping it to get the perfect uh, shape back, all right? So once we've done that, then we fix the earring findings on the by punching a hole. Okay, I'm a little ahead here. We punch a hole in the finished earring, put in your findings. Now, okay, so you punch a hole. Yes, this is a finished one. I did this off camera, so I'm going to do the second one on camera. You punch a hole. You can use a needle if you don't have this um, all equipment, okay? So you use a needle, punch a hole. This is a shoemaker's, I don't know what they call it. I think it's an awl, yes. Okay, so you punch it in, and then I'm using one of these findings. Okay, you can make your own. I'm going to have a video where I teach you how to make all the findings by yourself so you don't have to buy. But because I need to work fast most of the time, I buy all these things. All right, and then I'm going to fold that part, the leftover part, and I'm going to fold it so it's tight and it's firm, and then our earring doesn't go jiggling all around the place. All right, so once you do this, and then we're going to fix the finding. So we need to open the chain to put it in. So I'm going to use two pliers, one to pull the other apart, and then fix it in, and then close it back again. Just watch and do as I do. All right, okay. So once this is done, your earring is ready. Look at it, make sure that not everything is firm, tight, and it's beautiful. Now, if you've watched this far and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so you don't miss the next video. We'll be learning and teaching a lot on this channel. Okay, this channel is for those people who want to start a business and don't have too much of a capital, and those people who just love to do it yourself. Our earring is beautiful. Now, don't forget to join our community. That way you can ask questions, we can chat. This is beautiful, isn't it? And if you don't tell anybody, who's going to know it was made from earring? Toilet roll calls. Now, for those that like a bit of bling, yeah. So we're going to use our candle glue with the glue gun. Like I said, if you don't have a glue gun in my previous video, you can just use a candle and what you may call it. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So that's it. We're done. A lovely pair of earrings. Yes. Thank you for watching. And remember to choose Atunbi Africa.